Hi everyone, I'm so glad you joined us. Today I'm making lemon tahini sauce. This can be a sauce for any kind of burgers or meat loaf or nut loaves or anything that you've made, burgers. However, it's really good on falafel. So that's what I originally made it for. And since then I've been using it as a salad dressing. It's a great salad dressing. And it's a tahini sauce. Tahini is made from sesame seeds, but we're going to go one step further and just use the sesame seeds for this. If you don't have a high-speed blender, then you will want to use tahini because it will be smoother. But if you have a high-speed blender, just use that. So I'm going to put my cucumber in first because it's soft. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel this. If you don't peel your cucumber, you'll have green tahini sauce, which is fine if you're just making it for yourself. Or if you're wanting to be sure to avoid the lectins, that's why I peel the cucumbers. And then I also remove the seeds from the cucumber. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I find it's easier to digest if I do that. So I just take a sharp spoon and just push on it like this, and there come the seeds. Real fast and easy. Got rid of all the seeds, and then just cut it in about 1-inch pieces and put that right in the Vitamix bottom. And then lemon juice is your next ingredient. A little salt, little cumin seeds. You can put the seeds in there in a high-speed blender and it'll break them down. It makes it really great tasting. Little cayenne or chipotle, and 1 clove of garlic, and your sesame seeds. That's it. Just blend that up. And that's it. And there's your dressing, your sauce, whatever you want to use it for. Look at how creamy that is. And for more recipes like this one, check out our social media pages and visit our website, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.